Okay, then let's come to Chelsea. Let's come to our Chelsea. Nicolas Jackson. Last season he was a Chelsea striker.
Okay.
This season Chelsea already signed 2 strikers.
Okay.
So as a football fan,
all right.
Looking at Nicolas Jackson, do you think currently he had a future in Chelsea?
Nicolas Jackson has a future in Chelsea if only he works on one thing.
Okay.
His finishing and his attitude. He should only work on his finishing and then the attitude. Nicolas Jackson is a good player. He can carry the ball from the central midfield.
Yeah.
He can run with the ball. He can do anything. He's strong. He has everything that the Premier League striker needs. So Nicolas Jackson needs to work on his goal scoring. That's just what Nicolas Jackson just needs to work on. Okay. If you see Joao Pedro didn't score more goals than Nicolas Jackson does.
No. Yes.
You've seen that
at Brighton.
Brighton, he didn't score more goals, and he had most of the chances. They had most of the chances to score, but Joao Pedro didn't score more goals than Nicolas Jackson. So Nicolas Jackson just needs to work on his attitude and then his finishing. Once he's worked with those stars, he's good to go. He's good to become a Chelsea player. But without that, the attitude counts most.
Okay.
So
that means you think that he still has a future in Chelsea?
He still has a future, a bright future at Chelsea.
Okay. So rumors are saying that United want to sign him. How do you see that? Because United want a striker as we are speaking now. We are talking to Sesko and even Jackson.
Jackson's owner has been ruled off. We've ruled that one off because of the fee.
Okay.
And then we can't sign Jackson for 16 million or 18 million. No, that one is too much.
But how about we sign Anthony, Odilon, and what? Anthony is not 100 million.
And we signed Anthony for 100 million. By that time, if you see the kind of football Anthony was creative, Anthony was scoring, and Anthony was a dribbler.
Okay.
But with Nicolas Jackson, there's problems there. The attitude isn't there. And Anthony himself was a fighter by then.
Just you can't come and improve.
No, we don't. United right now, we don't sign players who comes to improve. We even want half them more at United because we have Rasmus Hojlund, which is trying to improve more. And you can see that in our past 2 matches, Rasmus Hojlund has improved more. So that means that no, Nicolas Jackson is out of us. We don't even want Nicolas Jackson. He should just stay at Chelsea and improve.
Why are you emphasizing on that?
He should stay at Chelsea and improve the work on.
But Nicolas Jackson is Premier League proven player. 2 seasons already in the Premier League.
Yes, he's Premier League proven player, but his finishing is not that good. United, we need scorers. We need more scorers. So that's no. Jackson is out.